Activity 1. Sound discrimination. Jump the frog to the leaves with the word Activity 2. Sound isolation. Classify all objects on the conveyor into the right boxes. This time, you'll classify
what starts with the sound and starts with the sound.
Yahoo!
9.
Yahoo!
Cup.
Yahoo! Yahoo!
9.
Yahoo!
Net.
Yahoo!
Car.
Yahoo!
Cup.
Yahoo!
Net.
Good job!
Activity 3. Blend and segment.
Ninja escape.
Help the ninja defeat daggers on the race by tapping on the correct sound.
Ka. Ah. Cat. Ka. Ah. Pa. Cap. Ka. Ah. Can.
Great job! Hooray! Activity 4. Build the word. Help the wizard create new magic in the cauldron. Drag the gem to this pot to make the word.
Cat. Cat. Ah. 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 Cat.
Drag the gem to this pot to make the word.
Ah. Ah. Pa. Cap.
Drag the gem to this pot to make the word.
Can. Ah. Ah. Can.
Activity 5. Lowercase, uppercase.
Plug in bulbs. Drag the plugs to match the uppercase. Well done.
Activity 6. Build sentences. Bricklayer. Matt the alligator has to build the wall before sunset. Help Matt by choosing the word to correctly complete the sentence. Nat can tap the can. Can. Nat can tap the can. Who can tap the can? Who? Who can tap the can? Anne can tap the map. Map. Anne can tap the map. Who can tap the map? Tap. Who can tap the map? Well done! Activity 7. Read the story.
Who Can Tap the Can? Written by Sally Dixon. Illustrated by Darius Carnes. Who can tap the map?
Hey!
Let's see who can win.
Of course, it will be me.
Anne can tap the map.
Yeah, I won this one.
Who can tap the can?
This time, it will be me.
Nat can tap the can.
Oh, yeah! I won it!
Who can tap the pan?
I will win this time.
Sam can tap the pan.
Yeah! I won it. Oh, yeah, yeah, yeah.
Who can tap the cap?
Huh? Huh?
Hey!
Nat can tap the cap.
It's so much fun!
Let's play again.